Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a shoe that's making waves in the racing world, the Asics Metaspeed Sky Paris. Designed for speed and efficiency, this shoe promises to redefine your race experience. Let's break down whether it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design and construction of the Asics Metaspeed Sky Paris. It weighs just 6.6 ounces in a US size 10, making it one of the lightest carbon plate shoes out there. Despite its featherweight feel, it boasts a substantial stack height that provides ample cushioning and support. Moving to the upper, Asics uses a Motion Wrap 2.0 mesh material that strikes a balance between breathability and durability. The shoe features a minimalist design with a thin tongue and strategic padding around the collar for comfort during long runs. It's worth noting that the shoe comes in a unisex fit, which may influence your sizing choice. Now, let's delve into what really sets the Metaspeed Sky Paris apart: its midsole. Asics introduces the FF Turbo Plus foam, a lighter and more responsive upgrade from previous models. Coupled with a carbon plate that's positioned higher within the midsole compared to its counterpart. This shoe is engineered to maximize energy return and propel you forward with every stride. On the outsole, you'll find Asics grip rubber covering the forefoot and extending partially to the sides. While this provides adequate traction and durability, it's important to note that the heel area is somewhat exposed, which might impact durability for heavy heel strikers over prolonged use. Let's talk real-world performance. Whether you're tackling a 5K or a marathon, the Metaspeed Sky Paris delivers. Its lightweight construction enhances foot turnover, while the combination of FF Turbo Plus foam and carbon plate ensures a smooth and propulsive ride. It strikes a balance between responsiveness and cushioning, making it versatile for various race distances. So, should you invest in the Asics Metaspeed Sky Paris? Absolutely. It stands out as one of the top racing shoes on the market, challenging the dominance of other brands in the carbon plate category. Whether you're aiming for a personal best or pushing your limits in competition, this shoe is designed to support your performance. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you've tried the Asics Metaspeed Sky Paris or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, keep exploring and running strong.